Okay, today guys, I will be showing you how to change transmission fluid and filter in a 2011 Mercedes Benz GL 550. I'll put the other cars that you can do this on in the description. Okay, so here's the kit we are going to use.
It's from CRP Industries. They send you everything. You get 5, 6, 7 liters.
Quarts?
Oh, those liters.
Yeah, 7 liters.
Yes. And the kit comes with new crush washer, the new valve to go inside the transmission when you refill it, filter, gasket, and new pan bolts because they're one-time use. We're also going to be using, been an additive in here is from Tribotech. It's a nanotechnology for your transmission. We had a slight wind in it. Comes with this additive. They also send you things so you can do a review of their product. You can put the mileage down, put it on your door, whatever your window, so you know what mileage you put it in, because you're supposed to do it every 40,000 miles, they say. Some information just promoting their product. A receipt for a little thing to get an extra 15% off of your next purchase. Stickers that you can put on your car if you want to promote their product.
We are not sponsored by this. We are just talking about this because it is a good product and we recommend you use it. Okay, so here's the tools you need. You'll need a torque socket, E11 size, and a Allen key, a 6. You can get the torque sockets for like 10 bucks online or at the store. And you will need 3 zip ties to hold the wires back up that you'll have to cut to drop the pan. Alright, so first you're gonna want to drain the fluid and use the Allen 6mm, and we are videoing that right now. We broke it loose and we're draining the fluid. Alright, so before you start breaking the bolts loose, you'll have to cut these wire ties.
There's 3
off. There are 3 of them, and that will allow you to be able to drop the transmission pan freely. We're about to start undoing the bolts now. They are all E11 and there are 6 of them. I will speed this part of the video up and you can watch. Alright, so now we are taking the filter off right now. It just pops off. There will be more fluid that comes out.
And there's a lot of metal shavings. Well, you know, just it's normal.
It's normal.
Just see, you know, gray material. This vehicle's got 125,000 miles on it.
Yep.
It should have been changed at 75,000. And we went over 50,000. And you want to make sure you put your magnets back in the same place, because Mercedes put them there for a reason.
Yep. And right now we are doing the gasket and
cleaning the metal shavings out of the bottom of the pan.
Yep. Make sure you put magnets back where you got them. We are just cleaning this with some just plain lacquer thinner. You can use whatever you want. Alcohol.
Works pretty good. Dries fast.
Yep.
Don't get it on your skin. Okay, that's on the other side. I'll go grab that in just a second. Wipe it down real good.
Yep.
This.
The overflow valve.
Mm-hmm.
We will also be replacing that. It just pops off.
Okay.
And now we are doing the gasket for transmission pan. I'll speed this part up.
Okay.
Alright, so for the filter, you're just gonna slide it all the way in this hole right there. And it's pretty easy. You just take it and just pop it in. Just like that. Alright, so the torque specs for tightening this up is 4 Newton meters, which is just about 3 foot-pounds or 35 inch-pounds. And once you do that and get it torqued down, you turn it 180 degrees, and after that you have everything tightened down and ready to go. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll try and answer them as soon as possible. Thank you.